Welcome back to The Hub today. So you've probably seen the green drink all over your social media. It's the perfect pick-me-up to start your day or even give you an energy boost post-workout.
Yeah, I've seen it all over the internet. Matcha's been taking over this summer. So joining us now is Brockton's very own, but also the owner of Sweet Fire Café, Micaéla Verrelian, who is joining us. So thank you.
Thank you for having me. Yes, I'm one of the co-owners. I own the space with my fiance, Christopher Sidwell, and we're so excited to be here on the show.
And we're excited to try your signature recipe.
Yes.
Well, before we dive into this, matcha, for people who don't know what it is, break it down for us. What is this green drink?
So matcha is a type of tea. So like tea is really good for you. It's really good for your digestive. It's either you're drinking matcha or something called hojicha. They're both still tea. And yeah, I definitely recommend if you're a tea person or you want something like coffee but not too much caffeine, I definitely recommend drinking some matcha.
I've heard that that matcha has like a slower release caffeine than coffee, right?
Yes, it does.
So it doesn't give you that crash, which we love, Kwani.
Yeah, exactly. But you have a specific twist to your matcha. What exactly is the twist?
So at Sweet Fire Cafe and Studio, which is located in Williamsburg, Brooklyn, so if you're ever there, please come by. We have fun drinks. So you can definitely get yourself an iced matcha latte, but today we're making a rose strawberry matcha latte.
That sounds so summery.
It's a little bit sweet and not too sweet though.
Okay.
So I started the base with adding some strawberry on the bottom because once you're done drinking your matcha, you get something fun at the end. And then we're gonna add some ice.
Okay, I'm gonna do the ice. She's putting us to work today. I love it.
Putting you to work.
And this is all homemade syrup, right? Like
all
this
homemade
all
syrup,
good stuff.
all good stuff. Everything at Sweet Fire is made fresh and we're also all plant-based. So I'm really excited for you guys to try these drinks.
So
especially you've never tried matcha before.
I've tried matcha. I've never tried the strawberry matcha.
Yeah, we're excited for the strawberry.
This is a vegan
Yeah,
milk.
so this is vegan milk. We love to use minor figures. They're such a great vegan milk to use. It's not too much sugar and it's really great for your body as well because we want to live for a long time.
Yeah, exactly.
So now I'm going to add some strawberries, which are also fresh strawberries and freshly cut.
Lovely.
Some more.
Oh, I'm going to cut some more for you too.
Yep. Can I use the knife real quick?
Absolutely.
Before you start, just adding some more.
I'm taking over her kitchen.
We need this good stuff. Okay, so I'm loving what I'm seeing so far. All fresh.
All fresh things. And now, can you pass me the matcha, please?
Okay.
Lovely.
I also brought some rose. This is something that's really special to us as well. We love using some rose. I'm going to pour some of the matcha inside the rose.
You clearly love the natural health aspect, but why get into that space?
Well, it really started with Christopher adding some milk. We're brewing it up.
Yeah.
It really started with Christopher, where he is a chef as well as a baker, and he just loves to make things really healthy.
Yeah.
He was getting headaches a lot, and with the headaches really just started because he had too much dairy in his system. So then he started actually making things that tasted good, and tasted really delicious. And that's kind of where the vegan thing came from. And now I'm adding some milk into the strawberry because we want to make a strawberry-based topper.
Oh, okay.
Let's do it.
Always froth. The froth makes a big difference.
The froth does. Look at it.
That's gorgeous.
Yeah, it looks
I love
pretty.
all the
Wait
colors.
until it's all done.
And you're also from Brockton. We mentioned that.
Yes, I'm from Brockton, Massachusetts. Born in Boston, raised in Brockton. I went to Brockton High.
Hey.
And are you guys both from Massachusetts or what?
I'm from Massachusetts.
I've been adopted now.
We love Kwani here.
Chestnut Hill University. See, I changed it.
You see how that froth made a big difference?
Yeah, that looks really good.
So how did your upbringing in Brockton influence this business and the way that you are building community in New York?
That's such a great question. I feel like New York is very much, everyone is out there trying to be something, trying to do something. And I feel like in Massachusetts, but it's really big on community here.
Yes.
And I feel like I wanted to bring a little bit of that into the city because we all want to be somebody, right? We all want to go somewhere and that's great, but why not do it together?
Yes. Where can we find you on social media to make sure that people can continue with your journey?
You can find us at Sweet Fire Brooklyn. And you can find me at Micaéla Verrelian. And I'm just adding some roses.
Wow. Sorry, I almost ruined the end. That's gorgeous. Cheersing out to end the show. What better way?
Thank you so much for being here. Congratulations. And let's start manifesting. Let's bring this to Boston, girl.
Let's bring it to Boston and
Cheers
manifest.
to you. Bring it to Boston.
All right, thanks for joining us, guys. We'll see you back here tomorrow.
Thanks.
staying on top.